Hi everyone, it's Shireen and how was your new year welcoming 2020? I hope you all have it in a good mood, good vibes, and good foresee for the future as this is like our blank paper to pursue all of our dreams into reality. And now my goal for the year's village journal setup is to help me as well as you guys to struggle and conquer this whole year's obstacle that we will face along our journey. First off, I wanted to thank you guys for keep on watching my videos, giving comments that will help me to improve and serve as my motivation to keep going. It's really heartwarming whenever I get comments and messages of love coming from all of you guys. That makes me feel so lucky. This year, I changed my theme for my 2020 bullet journal setup. I just made this simple with just a black and white theme. It looks good for me, a simple but elegant kind of theme for my 2020. I just find this one called Minimalism Art, and with this one, I was inspired by Christine Maylin. Her link is in the description box below, so you can check it out for more minimalism art. As you can see, I have my ivory color paper of my Moleskine notebook. I much prefer this than the white one, which seems so bright for me, and also I prefer a much thicker paper. But this is just a thin one, so if ever you want it, I have an ink test in my previous video link below. I like the dots, it's not so dark, but really good as a guide for my bullet journaling. Other than that, it has a ribbon bookmark and an expandable interior pocket at the back, as well as the Moleskine signature elastic closure. This one is definitely a beautiful journal. I really love how it looks and feels, which is very important for me. And for this year, I wanted to focus on simplicity. Last year is the first year for me to start my bullet journaling. That time, it was so hard for me to always think the theme I should do. And for my future bullet journal setup, I think I should make it simple. And for this year, I highly recommend you guys to make a bullet journal that will help you to be organized. What important to a bullet journal is it will help you to manage your time and make what you need to do. And for this year, I wanted my bullet journal to be my body, as I conquer my fears and accomplish my goals from dreams into reality. I will be using keys to determine the progress and importance of the task as a system method for my bullet journals. I have here 6 choices to make with their different icons having a move task, cancel task, complete and incomplete, as well as daily goals and important reminders. And then on the next page into it is a page for me to put my focus for this year. In addition to simplifying my decisions and goals, 2020 will be a year focused on reaching your goals and on moving forward. Learn from your failures and use it as your sword to conquer the battles of life. Keep on growing with the intention to learn. Live with intention versus by reaction. Be honest with yourself first so you can be with others around you. You are in control of your future. Make your dreams into reality. I have all my supplies listed below, including the paper that I've used, so definitely check that out if you want it. And on this page, I have a super cute mini fox having falling leaves and growing plants around it. I just find it in the Pinterest and I just recreated it. The original artwork is by Audrey Mill Art. I just made it in a plain black and white to be in sync for my theme. It's just so good to feel the vibe that this box is giving me, and the balance between a positive and negative space become calm. I hope you will keep on following my future bullet journals every month. Next of my cute mini fox illustration is my 2020 at a glance. This is one of my favorite part when creating a bullet journal. I am enjoying whenever I am creating my version style of a calendar. And in order to make this easier for me, I prepared it before so it will not consume much time. And if you wanted, there is another method. You can print it out in a sticker paper in a size that will fit your bullet journal. And for my future logs, I broke it down into 4 open pages. This is how I divided my whole year to work with my goals and on how I will accomplish all of it. Each two open pages composed of 3 months, so it makes a whole of 4 quarters. The remaining spaces will be my place to put my tasks and goals I am attempting to reach for this year. And I just repeat this setup for 3 times for the next 3 open pages. What makes me do this kind of setup is if ever you didn't reach your goals for the first 3 months, then you have the chance to start again for the next quarters. Instead of having 1 year to accomplish all your goals, you have 4 chances to plan new plans. And that is the advantage I've seen and makes me do this kind of setup for this bullet journal 2020. A lot of chances, a lot of possibilities and opportunities to happen. Another version of a cute box which is now in the wind as another year comes to an end. This box is dancing and celebrating in the wind together with the leaves around it. Whether we reach our goals or not, our efforts and time we put needs and deserves recognition. This is a place where I imagine my future self cultivate and manifest my qualities and talents, believing that we can make a lot of possibilities. I want to be more into positives and make failures as a stepping stone for reaching my goals, learning from it. I want to imagine myself, and at the end of the year, having learned all that I wanted to learn and having accomplished the goals that I have set, so that I can visualize it and become to be much closer believing in it and believing myself. So, before 2020 ends, how do you see your future self? Have you found what you desire for? Are you confident enough? Have you accomplished your goals? Are you more patient and mature enough to handle things? More compassionate or calm? Do you love your body and self? And are you able to adapt to others' differences? This is where we will visualize the person you wanted to be at the end of this year. And as a simple reminder from me, be yourself and be as you wish to seem. And this is my favorite goal to keep in my mind for this year 2020. Overall, this 2020 evolutional setup is exactly what I wanted to start off this year. I feel the balance of space, something that giving me calmness, having a simple setup in a minimalism. And so, opening it up, this bullet journal brings me into another space, giving me a peacefulness and calmness to think of the things that I should do to become a better version of myself, conquering and striving. Keep moving forward, aiming for the best and find new opportunities up ahead. I hope that this video inspires you to be true to yourself. Think more about you and less about others' opinion and how they think about you and what should be. And I am looking forward how far we've all reached. And that's all guys, and see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.